Hey guys, it's Tabs. Welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you a tool I found that promises to clone any website online and then switch them to WordPress page builder. As a matter of fact, it promises to switch any page online to Guternberg and to Elementor. So I'm like, no, you just got to be kidding me. This is a joke, right? So I'm like, I'm testing out this tool, but I'm not going to be the only one testing this. I want everyone out there to see exactly how this tool works. I like the website. It's kind of sleek, and if I scroll down here, you can see success rate of transformation. So coming back up, I need to try this now. And after hitting this, since I'm new, I need to register an account, and then here I have to provide my name, the apps, and also my email account. So the next thing is for me to accept terms and conditions and hit the next button. So here I need to confirm my email account before I can use their platform. Alright, so here in my email account, I received an email from them and I opened it and I click on this and I was brought here to a page. I need to log in. I don't have a password, so I need to go back to my email to check for my password. So coming here, I have another email account that carries my username and login. So I have my username as Tabs and then I copied my password. So let's go over. So coming back here, I had to just put in my username and then my password and then I log in. Okay, now it says it's Guternberg time. I need to close this. Okay, so now you see you can switch between Guternberg and Elementor. So now let's just experiment. Okay, so I have a website here, so beautiful and cool. So I just thought, let me check, let's see if I can use this website. Okay, so right now I just felt like, okay, it's Guternberg, let's switch to Elementor and let me try. I'm a fan of Elementor, and then I'll unlock this. And then I'm waiting for this page to do the magic it says it does. Wow, I'm wowed. In less than 1 minute, this is done. So now I'm viewing the page. Oh, this is not anywhere close. So I'm checking the responsiveness. This is not anywhere close, but a good try, really. I think the mobile view is just all over the place too. The web view is not working. Okay, let's filter this down. So since this is Astra, I might just want to maybe put my theme here. Maybe I'll get something extremely good. So I tried with Astra. This came a little more better, but it's still not there. And I'm like, wow, I would have been so surprised if this was gonna give me the exact same page. So I tried out with maybe other team Neve. Let me try. Let's see, it's still not fitting. So I just feel like, wow, this isn't able to clone website entirely, but it gave me something relatively not too far away from what I had initially. Again, as you can see for yourself, this isn't aligning well. So I tried with generate presto as well, and I switched back to Astra. So this is still the best that I got from this. Let's add this to cart and then let's close this page. So I just felt, okay, maybe I should experiment with another theme and let's see what I can do. And I already have this to cart, as you can see here. Alright, so I installed another Astra demo and this is what I have right now. So let's go check this. So here again, I'm putting the URL again and then let's unlock. Sincerely, what amazes me is the speed at which this software here renders these pages. Sincerely, I'm wowed. So you can literally see in few seconds this is done, and then I'm checking. This is a little close, a little close, a little close, but I'm still not getting the same thing. So let me come back here. So let's experiment with Guternberg and let's see what we get. As you can see again, this is extremely super fast and this thing is ready immediately again. Oh, this one is a little far off, but it's still not far away. This is just, and unfortunately for Guternberg, I don't have other things. I just have a switch in colors, but again, it's still what it is. So I need to go back here. This plugin promises so much, but it's delivering little. But I have this to cart, and if you click the cart button, you can see that you can even check out with just $3. If this had worked, this would be the best $3 ever spent from this website, cloning any page for you and then rendering them to Elementor or to Guternberg. Let me come back here. Let me even experiment more with another page, and then let's paste the page here and let's unlock this and let's try again. I'm still here and we are still here. So switching it to Astra is still not doing the magic. It's not doing the trick. I don't know, but from my experiment, this is not delivering on its promise. Yeah, that page is not exactly what I have, but it's somewhere close. Well, I'm sharing this with you because I need you to go out there and go and check this platform. It's free, at least for you to test to see if it's gonna work for you. I will be checking out this tool. I'll be trying to reach out to the owner of the tool to ask more questions, to debug more about this tool, and if I'm able to find a solution, I'm gonna be releasing more videos. If you are very keen about this, you need to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I keep giving you updates on this tool and how you can use this to clone any page out there, any website out there, whether it's Wix, Squarespace, whether it's HTML, whatever platform it is, into Elementor or Gutenberg page builder. That will be a win for you. This is my time. Thank you so much for hanging out. I would see you in my next video. Until then, have a nice time.